What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you a student?
No, I finished university last year.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
What's your hobby?
I love reading books.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Can you play any musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Harry Potter.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love Paris.